It's some time. Hi guys! Did you check out our video on what is arthritis? Wasn't that fantastic? But now, to make it a little more interesting, I'll replay the video and ask some questions in between. What is arthritis?
It is a chemical formed by mixing hydrochloric acid and sulfuric acid.
Oh dude, from where do you get such ideas? To explain arthritis, we need to first understand what a joint is. A joint is a place where two bones meet. Which of the following is a type of joint? Pivot joint, axle joint, spindle joint, some joint. And your time has begun. Start guessing.
Think fast and write your answer or correct option in the comment section.
The answer is option number 1, that is, pivot joint. When there is inflammation, swelling, or pain in one or more joints, then it is termed as arthritis. The cause of arthritis depends upon the type of arthritis. Rheumatoid arthritis is an autoimmune disorder. In this disorder, our immune cells mistakenly start attacking the tissue surrounding a joint and thus damage it. This leads to inflammation, swelling, and pain in the joint. Which of the following cells are part of the immune system? Heart cells, kidney cells, white blood cells, keratinized cells, all the best. Your time starts now. And the answer is option number 3, that is, white blood cells. Osteoarthritis occurs when the cartilage that cushions the ends of bones in a joint gradually breaks down and wears away. Babies have more bones than adults. True or false? Alright, your time starts now.
Come on, get that brain working and write your answer in the comment section.
It is true. Babies have 300 bones while adults have 206. As a result, the bones begin to rub against each other, causing swelling and pain in that joint. Bones mainly consist of which of the following minerals? Calcium and iron, phosphorus and iron, iodine and iron, calcium and phosphorus. Clock is ticking. Start typing your answers. The correct option is option number 4, that is, calcium and phosphorus.